Hey everyone, today we're just going to show you a quick little trick for touching up epoxy in your tub. So we have this shower that's epoxied, and we've got some issues here where the epoxy has been scratched, and so we're going to touch it up with some epoxy. It's a two-part system. We've got our hardener, we've got our paint. This is just white, so we're going to take 1 part to 2 parts paint. So let's just pour a little bit in our little pail here. Don't need too much. Of hardener. And we've got our paint. Let's get a little more of that in there. And then just mix it up here. Really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip, and then we're going to dab on our spot that needs touched up. This is one of them. And we're going to let this sit for just a minute, and we're going to do it 3 or 4 more times. Step number 2, just dabbing it in, just like the first one, and then we're just going to wait another minute for this guy to dry. Okay, so we have 4 coats on here, and we're just going to let this dry for about 8 hours, and it should be ready to resume normal use then. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.